What's going on, everybody? Today we got a package from KeyBar USA, and yes, it does involve a Tanto blade. Let's take a look. Okay, so what we got here is this is the Way Mandalorian KeyBar Junior. The camera really does not want to focus, eh? There you go. So green micarta, very cool. And here is the Tanto blade. If you can read the specs there without too much glare. We got maker is Mike Taylor. Fits KeyBar Junior only. S35VN stainless steel. D10 plate is titanium. And the date is March 2022. So there's your D10 bar, screws, and there is the blade. Very, very cool. Extra bags. There you go. Very cool. Very, very nice. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Let's see what she looks like together. Okay, so we got it together. And that's what she looks like all together. Now the one issue that I'm seeing, the D10 up here is very nice. Locks in good, unlocks good. And it seems to lock in very nicely down here. But then getting it out, yeah, I actually have to pry it out of there. So something tells me either I'm doing something wrong, or these teeth, if the camera will focus, either these teeth are just a little too ragged or something. The lock seems to snap in very nicely, but there's just no way. It's almost impossible to grab onto, which is good. You know, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it coming out on you too easily, and that's good. But to actually deploy it, and I've seen them deploy it on Instagram, and they show it. Oh, just piece of cake, just flips right open. And that's not the case here. So, like I said, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I've got it. As far as I know, I got it right, according to their fairly vague directions. So, anyway, we'll take a look at it and see what we can figure out. That's the new Tanto blade by KeyBar, and we'll see if we can get it improved, and we'll let you guys know how it works out. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye.